An aeroplane is flying in a horizontal direction with velocity of 540 km per hour. Velocity of aeroplane 540 km per hour. Convert it into meter. So 540 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 divided by 1 hour means 3600 second, and if you calculate it, it comes to be 150 meter per second. At a height h is given 1960 meter. When it is vertically above a point A, see here, plane is vertically above point A and this height is given as 1960 meter on the ground. A body is dropped from here, a body is dropped from it. The body strikes the ground at point B, that body will strike the ground at point B. Then calculate the distance AB. It means we have to find out this horizontal distance. Remember that as far as initial vertical component of velocity is concerned, initial vertical component of velocity what is the initial vertical component of velocity at point O? Initial vertical component is 0 because it has only horizontal component. It has only what? Horizontal component. Means the velocity with which that object is dropped is horizontal velocity. So the horizontal velocity is equal to velocity with which that object is dropped, and that is equal to 540 km per hour, or it is equal to 150 meter per second. So what is the clue here? That whenever body is dropped from the plane, then that body has no vertical component of velocity. Whatever velocity with which that object is dropped, it is nothing but its horizontal velocity. So Vx is equal to 540 km per hour, or it is equal to 150 meter per second. Now for vertical motion, initial vertical component of velocity. What is initial vertical component of velocity? Vy is equal to, or uy is equal to 0. As initial vertical component of velocity is 0, we know s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s is equal to ut plus half gt square. Now initial component uy is equal to 0. Initial vertical component of velocity is 0. S is equal to h because vertical displacement is what? H. So therefore h is equal to 0 plus half gt square, because a is nothing but g. A is equal to g, body is falling downward. So h is equal to half gt square, therefore t is equal to under root of 2h by g. T is equal to what? Under root of 2h divided by g. Or we had time t is equal to under root of 2 into h means 1960 divided by g means 9.8. So 9.8, and here it is 2s are 20, means it is under root of 400. Under root of what? 400. So that is equal to 20 seconds. So the time taken by that body to drop on the surface of ground, that is at point B, that time taken is 20 seconds. And because that body is moving with what? Body is moving with constant horizontal velocity of 150 meter per second, because we know that during the motion horizontal component of velocity remains unchanged. So as horizontal distance AB is the horizontal distance. Distance AB is horizontal distance, and say that horizontal distance is x. So horizontal distance is equal to horizontal velocity multiplied by time taken, multiplied by what? Time taken. Horizontal velocity is how much? It is 150 meter per second, and what is the time taken? We had calculated, that is 20. So 150 multiplied by 20 means it is 3000 meter. That distance AB is equal to 3000 meter. So the correct option for this question is option B, that is 3000 meter. 3000 meter.